Let's also look at all the top stories that are making big headlines in our real estate sector, starting with Maharashtra's massive fundraising exercise to boost affordable housing. Take a look.
The Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority (MHADA) is planning to raise 1,000 crore rupees development fund to augment the supply of affordable housing in Maharashtra, according to reports in leading business dailies. This is the first time that MHADA will be raising funds from the financial markets. The fund will be managed by a financial institution with adequate experience in housing development financing, and the corpus will be used to lend to developers of low-cost and affordable housing projects. The Maharashtra government has permitted residential and commercial development on big land parcels acquired for industrial use. According to sources, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has modified norms, paving the way for 40% commercial and residential exploitation in industrial areas measuring 40 hectares or more. Accordingly, all industrial areas over 40 hectares can now be converted into industrial townships holding residential and commercial spaces, provided the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation notifies such areas as integrated industrial areas. A petition was filed with the National Green Tribunal seeking directions for the Haryana government and the Union Ministry of Environment against issuance of any licenses allowing land use change in the Aravalis. Notices have been issued asking the parties to stay new licenses after the case was admitted last week. The petitioner further sought directions for the state government to prohibit all constructions in the Aravalis area. Haryana government has proposed to implement a scheme of land records under which mutation of land deals would also be done while getting the property registered. The buyer would also get its report instantly. According to government officials, this has been done to reduce corruption in the state's revenue department.